Ain't been to the Burbank Mall in a while. Starting with the men's sneaker section over here. From afar, I was like, they got some 11s right here? Nah. They got some GT Hustle 3s right here. I think these are women's because it says size 9.5. There's no way these are men's. But yeah, 55 for those. Got some calm slides. These are the size 18 or used as hell to 25 bucks. Oh wait, $18, my bad. Got some tiny one of these, 60 bucks. Adidas budget runners, $27. Size 8.5. Jordan 2s right here, 70 bucks. SL 72, some pretty decent Adidas right here, 43. That's a hell of a price. These are 9.5. Nike boots right here, $70. Are these the city boots or something? I don't know. These are a size 10, 10.5 or something like that. 70 bucks. Shelves pretty empty here. I've never seen the shelves empty like this here. There's some older Antetokounmpos. Immortality's going for 45. Another one of these. Y'all see that? Barely touched it. $60 for those Lunar Roams. Also got another one of these, size 12. Jaw 1's 45. Mickey D's Crocs with no gibbets going for 30. And the huge sizes got some KDs. This is Waves. And then crazy, insane huge sizes. We got these $50 for what are these? The Metcon 6s, size 8.5. Y'all stupid. Size 14 or something. Gotta check out the apparel. Got some Nike SC gears, waffle knit, $17 for this thermal. It's just one of the Mexican League ones. I think so. Yeah, $19.99. That is a small Puma jacket. Got Nike, another large right here. We got, oh, I thought this was the same one. All right, we got this in XL 25. Them red ones also 25. More 25. And yeah, all these are 25. A bunch of ones in the small. Got the Malll branded ones right here. What's it say? Not from here. And yeah, these normally go for $90. These Puma hoodies are going for $17. Interesting dry fit. One right here, $25. Feels hella different. They got U-brand stuff like this as well. It's all right. Not like the best quality, but 50 bucks, not bad. And they got Fanatics t-shirts right here. These are going for 13. Cactus League, that's their summer league right here, going for $13. More baseball t-shirts, Fanatics brand, 13 bucks. These are large. SC running. It's like a running shirt, right? It is a long sleeve, 17 bucks. Dry fit. It's just, I was like, this looks like a women's. It looks like super slim. $57 down to who knows. There's the tag right there. It's gone. And I can't fit any of my Niners gear, so I am looking for Niners jerseys and stuff. I've been looking for some decent price ones, and yeah, they got these t-shirts. These are actually kind of cool. Fanatics brand, $13. These are smalls, but no Niners branded stuff because I need some new Niners gear, man. But yeah, not that. That's like some low budget team apparel stuff. Moving over to the women's section. Always gotta start with the biggest sizes, where I ain't really seen nothing other than some blazers for 43, blazer lows, and then blazer highs for 45. Then more of the same, pretty much 43 for these. Multiple colorways. Got some Air Max 90s right here, smaller size, going for 60. Some generic looking Adidas right here. These are tiny. What the hell? Forum 2000s. Never heard of these mother lovers. 40 bucks. All right, so much for finding any gems here. Yeah, man, this ain't happening. Let's go check out the rest of the mall. Let's go right there. I just realized a bunch of this mall used to be vacant, and they filled out a lot of places. Like one of those little play places called Candyland upstairs. That was dead forever. One of the anchor locations still dead. Old Sears right there. Do got a shoe palace though. Still got a few different J's here, including a couple of the ones. Midnight Navy and the Mellow 12s right here. Got a few different Jordan slides. 65, 65, 65. See a few New Balance right here on sale. 550s. What shoe died more in popularity than these 550s? Maybe the Dunks, just because they were like hyped way more, but I don't see anybody with the 550s anymore. The 480s, they were never really hyped, but that's kind of their version of the Dunk, right? 2002 Rs. I really like these materials they use. So nice. At 120, these are going for 90 right there. We got some 1906s if you like extra dad shoes or dad shoes that are extra daddy. I don't know. All right, yeah, that was like the dumbest take. Anyway, they don't all hit when I just say random stuff. They don't all hit. It is what it is, you know. But yeah, I do got Hoka's right here, the Clifton 9. They got Gore-Tex versions. I think they're all out of the Bondi. What is it, the Bondi 8s and stuff that are on sale? I think they're out of them. Plenty of Nikes on sale. Curious to see what these are going for. All right, first of all, I can't even tell. I think it's 105. Still go for a little bit much. We've seen them cheaper at the outlets. We've seen them cheaper at Chic as well. Yeah, 105 seems right because these are 120. These DN8s, the Air Max DN8s right here, pretty freaking clean. 110 for these bad boys right here. I'm starting to like the look of these a little bit more. Kind of like the, I don't know, they kind of remind me of these. But yeah, a little more comfortable, I bet, because these are like a unique feeling. Having different AirPods in the bottom kind of like reminds me of wearing cleats. Vapor Max definitely reminds me of wearing cleats. I kind of wonder why. I don't know. I feel like the air bubbles are bigger on the regular DN8s or the DNs, Air Max DNs, and the DN8s. I bet you they're gonna come out with ones with bigger air bubbles because they always do that, right? Like with Scorpions and stuff. Those are going for 100. Got some Air Forces going for pretty decent prices. And then the Forrest Gump, 60 bucks. Forrest Gump's right here, man. And then right outside the mall, we got a Ross right here. And upstairs, they do have the kid sneakers. You get some Max Auras for your kiddos for 47. Or some ACGs. Right here, kids don't like ACGs, so 65. Ooh, these look familiar. 37 for these size 4s. And you can get your kiddo some, what are these, Bluey? What the hell? 10 bucks for those. Or you could go downstairs where they got all the men's sneakers over here. Where they got way better stuff than Burlington. With these, like the Scoots or something. There's the Scoots going for 40. These are like supposed to be the smaller size, but they got some Pegasus Wave, size 14, 57. These are Browns Pegasus, I believe so, size 8. Too small for anybody I know, $40. Browns Pegasus, 40 bucks. Browns definitely struggling right now, unlike the Niners. Actually, the Niners are struggling like crazy, barely won. But that was a big win though. 100 bucks for these. Won all my prop bets on Thursday, and then yeah, Friday and Saturday for college football, lost all my bets. Lost every bet so far. Oh my God, I suck. But yeah, KD's right here, $69.99. Got them in multiple sizes. Got some more Pegasus. Oh, these ain't Pegasus. I thought they were Pegasus. Quest 6 is some budget runners. 65 is crazy for those. This is a pretty solid deal right here. Curry 11s, 55. ACGs. Got some boots right here, 80 bucks. Got some skate shoes right here. What are these? The Vertebraes? Vertebraes, these are size 755. And then yeah, I see more and more and more of these. How many different colorways of the Bondi 8s can we find? 100 bucks is a little pricey, I don't know. That's just my opinion. Got Lunar Rome, 58, 57, my bad. Hustles, got some GTL, 60 bucks. Pretty solid price. These are size 9 right here. That might be one of the cheapest. We've seen those. One of the most bootleg prices on it too, or labels. 57. These are smaller size for the LeBron Next Gen though. 50 bucks for the MB3s right there. I've been taking a million of these because getting over a cold, just have like a cough, so been eating a ton of those. Oh, some DMP looking. What are these? The MVPs or something? But yeah, I got these $70 size 13s. 57 for the Lunar Roams. And even in the huge sizes, got more of the KDs, the MBs. Got the Bondis right there. Got some Yeezy looking, Yeezy 2 looking Adidas right here, $40. I don't know what the hell those are. Nothing too crazy today. Gamma Forces, $50. These are size 11. 80 for the LeBron 22s. Size 12 of these right here. And then do got more of these. Some Stephs. All right, I think that's about it. An apparel section definitely worth checking out. Haven't seen too much Niners gear, to be honest. Some team apparel, $5 t-shirt team apparel. But have come across some interesting stuff. Like, look at this right here. $90 fleece shirt right here down to $35. That is some sort of Nike. Another Nike, what is this, like a Sherpa or something? I don't know, $35. And we have found the occasional tech fleece. What is this? Oh, I thought this was an Iverson. F you. Thought that motherfucker was an Iverson jersey or something. What the hell? But yeah, I have found some occasional gems. Got a tech fleece. Maybe for my kid. I don't know who that's going to go to, but did find stuff like that. Ooh, Nike. Look at this. It's a Nike 2020 Finals hoodie right here. $20. $20 for that. If it wasn't gray, if it was any other color, I probably would pick it up for $20. This is a championship. This is the bubble championship hoodie right here. Everybody talks trash about the bubble. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with that championship. There's no asterisks or nothing. Everybody else played under the same conditions. So tired of people bitching and moaning about that. Nah, that was a legit championship. Like, I don't know what the hell people complaining about, to be really honest. I might grab this. I've heard some players say it was the hardest championship because it was just about basketball. It wasn't about all that other stuff. Is this Project Rock? Project Rock? I think so. North Pole Training Club. Santa Claus. That's kind of interesting. I've never seen that, but I do see a Project Rock tag right here. Kind of interesting. $65 normally, down to $20. You know what? I was going to get this, but look, the color. I'm not a fan of the colors. It's like gray and then has that gold and purple. Like, I don't know. It feels black or I don't know. I'm not feeling the gray. I don't know why. I don't really have any small Lakers hoodies because my last one did get stolen. I'm gonna get it, whatever. Only because I don't have any small Lakers hoodies. I'll grab it. Do got this one right here. Team Apparel. $10. Seattle Team Apparel. Do got another one of these. Jordan hoodie right here. We've seen quite a few of these. $88 down to $40. Not seen jerseys and stuff, but they definitely have enough decent stuff here to check out. That's an Under Armour hoodie right there. This is an Ultra Game right here. This is a double XL, $50. Like, it's not bad. Got so distracted, almost forgot to check the women's section over here. Big women's sizes. Do you see these humongous Hoka? These are size 15. This looks like a 15 men, so $90. Got this fool Mad Dogging me for nothing. Well, what you Mad Dogging, fool? What you looking at, dog? Got more of these Hoka mules right here, $40. These Sabrinas right here ain't bad. These Kobe looking Sabrinas right here, $50. Do got these right here. These look like grade school, size 7, $47. All right, I didn't find nothing in the women's section. I'm checking out the hoodie. I'm not digging the color. I don't know. I'm just not digging the gray, then the gold and the. I don't know. I'm not digging it. I might throw it back. But yeah, I'm wearing. Yeah, I'm not digging it. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it shows up on camera. I'm wearing a black t-shirt and oh my god, it's not even black anymore. Yeah, man. Damn, dude, oh man, I don't have a roller. I should keep a roller in my car. But yeah, I'm wearing a black t-shirt, wearing some shorts, and then more up-tempo slides. I freaking love these Niners colorway. I do have a hoodie in the car that matches this. It's gonna be late. I'm probably gonna be out pretty late and might need a hoodie later. But yeah, my Niners hoodie will definitely match this bad boy right here. Niners, man, I definitely didn't see them winning. Definitely didn't see that coming, but they did come through. Did come through, fools, I know. Plenty of y'all were hoping they'd lose. Fools. Fool's like listening to him. Look at that. He's like, listen, he's getting a little.
Third, fourth generation. Then he's
getting a little sermon. He's standing on something. He's not that tall. It is a Saturday night. I'm glad to see that like this mall's starting to pop, man. I haven't seen these businesses busy like this. I don't know what the hell they've been doing, but all right, they've been doing their thing, man. I see customers. This third floor right here is never usually packed. There's rarely ever people here, so glad to see that this mall's doing better. They even have this janky little arcade. Don't they have a round one downstairs? Why wouldn't fools go to round one? I'm sure round one's like overpriced, but I don't know. Maybe this place has some good deals. I don't know, but that is a janky little arcade right there.